Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Mobility 316, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. As you can see with the key fob here, I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. It's got a brand new rear entry conversion. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. It's easy to operate, low cost to maintain. Again, I pinch and I flip. And as you can see here, I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entries. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry might be the answer for you. Now, if somebody parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair accessible van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case in the rear entry. They can't block in if they park next to you. More ground clearance to get over rougher terrain and more affordable to convert. Therefore, more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we do sell side entry, we sell some SUVs and trucks, and we do sell the full-size vehicles as well. So no matter what you're looking for, give us a call. Let us help you find it. 800-pound weight capacity. You've got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van. Then over on the side, you got about 56 inches of headroom. Where the center console is, you got about 53 inches of headroom. The center console is nice, but it does eat up a little of that headroom space, all right? We got the deep cut in here that goes all the way up to the back of the front seats. This can hold 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney, or a stretcher. That's why we have the 8 tie-down points down here, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time if necessary. And it's got the upgraded Q-string tie-downs. We throw those in at no charge to you. Now, a lot of our competition will sell the vans without tie-downs. You've got to buy them. Or they sell you the junky tie-downs. You have to upgrade to the nice ones. We throw the nice ones in right off the bat. Got your cup holders in the rear. We can even put a 3rd row seat that will flip down when it's in use, flip up when it's not in use. So you can potentially haul 6 people plus a wheelchair. We've got flip-based seats we can put up between these seats. They will flip, they'll flip up on their sides. About 21 inches of room between those seats. If you need more room, we can add the flip-based seating. We got our spare tire. As I come up to the front of the van, we got our tie-down and warranty instruction. There's a nice center console. Got all your plug-ins for all your electronics. Got a heated steering wheel. We've got heated seats, so those are great options to have. Got your dual climate control, your backup camera, your navigation. Can sync up your phone. A lot of great options on this Caravan. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. You got your steering wheel controls, so you can keep your eyes on the road. And of course, you can operate all the power sliding doors up top here. And when you get everybody secure, come back out. Simply reverse the process. Again, check it out. 1 finger, that's all it takes. Flip it up. Clamp it down. And you are ready to roll. You can operate all the power doors as well with the buttons on the doors. As I do a walk around this van, it's very clean. It's got your tinted windows. It's got your alloy wheels. We put 4 brand new tires on this van. These don't even have 5 miles on them. Brand new. All 4 tires brand new. There is a little bit of touch-up paint right here. I can see minor little dent back here on this back passenger fender. You probably wouldn't notice it if I didn't tell you about it. But in my videos, I want to be honest and fair as I possibly can and show you everything I see. If you do want that fixed and make it look brand new, let me know. We can do it on your dime. But you know, on a 5-year-old van, I chose in the budget. I wanted new tires over a blemish you probably wouldn't even notice if I didn't tell you about it. So, nice clean van. I'm not trying to represent it as perfect and brand new condition, but it's very clean. As are all my vehicles. I purchase every single one of them. I am the buyer. I am also the owner. So one advantage of buying from me, I'm actually buying from your perspective. This is my money. A lot of these companies, they have a buyer. They just get paid by the car, $200 or $300 per vehicle they buy. They don't care if it's got accidents. They don't care if it's had a bad frame damage. They don't care if it's been in a flood. They just want to fill that quota so they can get paid. I have no quota. I want to buy nice, clean vehicles. That's my goal. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video, not just a picture, a video of the VIN number down here. And why I say that, there's a lot of scammers, especially on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is the biggest bunch of scammers in the world, so be aware. But what they do is they take pictures of my vans, or anybody's vans, and they'll take a van like this and they'll put it on the internet and they'll say, oh, $15,000, send me $1,000 to hold it. Well, they're trying to get you to send the money to hold it. Once you send the money, you're never gonna hear from them again because they're not real and they don't have the van. I have the van, for example. So you say to them, I want you to make a video of the VIN number of this van, and I want you to say your name. So I'm Jeremiah Coleman. I'm the owner of Mobility 316, and I've got this van here in my possession. This is not an internet scam. Make sure you get that no matter who you're buying from. All right, what we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we buy it. You can see this is just one owner, no accidents or damage. Last owned as a rental vehicle in nice salt rust free Hawaii is where it was titled. Now, a lot of people say stay away from rental vehicles. I would agree if it's a sports car, probably been driven pretty hard. As far as a minivan, I don't think too many people say, honey, grab the kids, we're going to rent a minivan and hot rod it. It means highway miles, and that's a good thing on a used vehicle. As we scroll down here on the Carfax, I can see no brands, no salvage, no junk, no rebuilt, no fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a one owner, clean title, no accidents. A perfect Carfax report. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recall. And whoever you do business with, find them online, check out their reviews and their reputation. Find us on eBay. I personally have been on eBay since November 2004, almost 20 years now. Look at our reviews, 1,532 reviews. Every single one of those reviews left us positive feedback. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure you're not getting scammed. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. I hear people all the time, they tell me how they bought from a private individual, off Craigslist or Facebook, someone that they knew nothing about. They end up buying a vehicle that's possibly stolen. Yes, people will sell stolen vehicles. When the police catch up to that vehicle, the buyer has to give the vehicle back. They do not get their money back. If you're going to deal with private individuals, you better know what you're doing. Or they buy from one of the dealers up here that's got the 1 and 2 and 3 star ratings instead of our 4.8 like we have. They end up with a vehicle that's got a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't told about, major mechanical issues. So, if you want 1 and 2 and 3 star vans, deal with the general public and deal with those other dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. Another great feature I love about it. It's got the remote start. You hit that button twice, the van will fire up. So whether you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van in the summer months, or you want nice defrosted windows, you want that heated seats ready to go, and that heated steering wheel in the wintertime, this gives you that option. It's got the power seats in it. Black leather. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. That's another advantage of a rental. They do not allow smoking. And we do have the one key. If you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, we can sure do so. When I go to officially turn the van on with the key there, you can see all the dummy lights work and they all go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights. 53,035 miles. We got our backup camera here. We got our navigation as well, like I mentioned. You can hear that radio works just fine. So, fully loaded up van. And I'm going to show you the back. If you ever want to use this for commercial use, you're going to be in and out of those doors quite a bit. You can hit the off button. Slide the doors open if you want to. Again, very clean interior back here. And for those of you that aren't familiar with the layout of these vans, just giving you a little different perspective, a little different view here. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. Checked all the power mirrors, windows, locks. I'm going to show you the mirrors and the windows moving right now. We check the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes, cruise control, suspension, tires. Obviously they're brand new. Taking it on a road test. Even show you the back vents here. And my point is, hope you can tell by our videos, we're very thorough in everything we do. I do not just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a very, very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, we got the 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of any rust, from being up north, being in a flood, or anything like that. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures, they assume it runs and drives good, or they assume it's never been in a major accident or a flood. Folks, got news for you. Brand new car dealerships get flooded. Brand new vehicles can get a flood. So definitely used vehicles can. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care if it's another dealer, I don't care if it's a private individual, but I want to ask you, do they show you the reputation online so you know you're buying from someone honest and reputable? Do they show you a Carfax report? so you know you got a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, and never been in a flood. They get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less detailed videos of the undercarriage, so you can see exactly what you're getting. No bent frame underneath here, no signs of any flood damage or anything like that. So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. Tell me what happens if you end up buying a van that you can't get a title for because you're dealing with somebody that's, you know, shady individual. Well, if you can't get a title, you can't register it, you can't drive it. What happens if you end up buying a van that's got frame damage from a flood or an accident and it won't pass inspection in your state? Well, you just bought a van you can't register, you can't drive. So to avoid all that, do 4 things. I don't care who you buy from. I demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around, folks. This is a huge purchase. It's not some pair of shoes off the internet. This is a large purchase. Make sure you get the tell them to put their heart and soul into it, like I do every single one of my videos. Second, demand a Carfax report. Again, I am buying from your perspective. That's why I run a Carfax on every vehicle before I buy it. You should too. Carfax give the most information. Yes, they are expensive, but I pay that extra money because I'm buying from your perspective. Third, find out who you're buying from. Do your due diligence. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. Find out who you're buying from. Find out their reputation. Make sure they're real. If it's too good to be true, I can promise you it is. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Good at any shop in the country. We stand behind our products. We make sure every single one of them comes with a warranty. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. You can see that steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. And you can see the van will pop up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Runs and drives nice, shifts smoothly, runs and drives darn near like a brand new van. Very, very nice, very clean. I've got the cruise control set. You can see the cruise works. And do keep in mind, we do have our complimentary 90-day warranty at no additional charge to you. We do sell long-term warranties that are factory-type warranties. They go anywhere from 90 days, all about 8 years, and everywhere in between. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online, what they've hidden in the fine print, or they don't tell you about until it's time to close the deal. $500 administrative fees, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they have freight, you name it, they got a fee made up for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all those hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the hidden fees and the shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they've got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for is the most important thing in any business, but especially the used car business, is transparency. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, in attempts to be 100% transparent. And you saw coming down the ramp there, I gave the van a nice hard brake. There was no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call or a text message, here's a direct line to my cell phone, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That's a direct line to my cell phone. So I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give me a call, give me a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you absolutely zero pressure sales here. I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. So keep that in mind. And then we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone. And yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough and detailed as possible. If you ever do want to come in, please make sure you make an appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. Call me, text me, make that appointment. We'd be happy to spend some time with you, but you must make that appointment, okay? And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.